Good evening, friends. I'm continuing with some more news. Now going to Iraq. One US Air Force C-130J Hercules transport aircraft crash landed in the Taji Air Base in Iraq. While landing, there was no grievous injuries. It is part of the 386th Air Expeditionary Wing at Ali Al Salem Air Base in Kuwait. So while in a practice sortie and while landing, it overshot the runway and crash landed in a wall. So more investigation is going on. In another news from UK, the 13th Signal Regiment has been launched, or I would say it has been relaunched, because there was a Signal Regiment during the World War and during the Cold War era, which was disbanded, but now it has been renewed and reconstituted. So the responsibility of the regiment would be to provide safe and secure communication environment and ecosystem to the British Army personnel all across the world. Now, in another news from UK itself, Elbit Systems of UK, they have recently completed the trials of Seagull USV, that is unmanned surface vehicle. So they had been conducting these trials for some time, and now they have concluded that the trials are successfully completed. So moving to some more news coming from Russia. Russia has claimed that they will be soon employing or inducting around 20 supersonic Sukhoi Su-34 bomber aircraft in their air force. So it is yet to be seen how and when they induct those aircrafts, but the Russian news agency TASS, they have claimed that it is going to be very soon, and the induction will be completed by year 2021. In another news, Taiwan is planning to hold two military exercises. One is in the month of July, between 13th and 17th July, and one is in the month of September, that is between 14th and 18th September. So the September exercise would be a simulated tabletop war game exercise. In July month, it will be a real-time practical exercise, live fire drill basically. So Taiwan has been practicing and gearing up for protecting their sovereignty from the People's Republic of China, who claims that Taiwan is part of their territory. So I will continue with some more news in another video. Thank you.